Craft your imagination.
Let's make a maraca!
Here's what you'll need: a water bottle, scissors, a stick, beads, beans or shells, duct tape, newspaper, a pencil, glue, non-toxic sealant, which is optional, paint in any color you like, a paintbrush, markers, and a blow dryer, which is optional too. I start with an empty, dry water bottle. I cut off the label. Then I shorten the water bottle by cutting some of it off. Now you can use the whole water bottle for your maraca if you like, but in this case I just wanted to make it a little shorter. I put the top back on so that I can add the beads. Now you can add beads or beans or rice, anything that makes noise in your maraca. Reattach the bottom of the bottle after you've put your beads in. So now I tape my bottle so that both pieces are together and well secured. I found a broken stick from a chair that we once had in the garage. Instead of throwing it away, I decided to use it for my maraca. The stick is not as wide as the opening in the bottle. To make it fit, I wrap it with duct tape, then I cut strips of newspaper and I wrap it with that as well. Then I put clear tape on it to keep the newspaper in place. It fits. Now it's time to secure my bottle to my stick. I use duct tape for that because duct tape is thick and strong and it will prevent my maraca from coming apart. Done. So now it's looking more like a maraca. I add a little clear tape at the end because it's a little more flexible and it smooths the duct tape down. I cut up several newspaper strips to wrap my bottle with. I use the glue like paint so that I can really get good coverage on the plastic bottle so that when I put my newspaper on, it sticks well. Once I've glued all the paper on, I put another layer of glue on top of it and dry it. This helps to smooth out the texture. For the final part of this stage, I add a coat of non-toxic sealant. That will make my maraca even smoother. I use a blow dryer to quickly dry my sealant. Remember, a blow dryer is optional, but if you do want to use one and you're not quite comfortable, just be sure to ask a parent or an older sibling for help. Let's paint this maraca. I use reds and yellows. You can choose whatever colors you want for your maraca. I use a marker to add more detail to my maraca. My maraca is all done.